Choosing a microscope for your studies depends on your specific needs, whether you're a student, researcher, or hobbyist. Here are some steps to help you choose the right microscope. Step 1. Determine your purpose. Consider why you need a microscope. Are you studying biology, chemistry, geology, or a specific field? Different microscopes are designed for different applications. Step 2. Type of microscope. There are several types of microscopes, including compound microscopes, for viewing small specimens, stereo microscopes, for larger objects in 3D, and digital microscopes, for capturing images and videos. Choose the type that suits your study needs. Step 3. Magnification and resolution. Look for a microscope with appropriate magnification levels for your studies. Consider both the objective lens and eyepiece magnification. Higher magnification doesn't necessarily mean better, it should be suitable for your intended use. Also, pay attention to the microscope's resolution, which determines the level of detail you can see. Step 4. Quality and brand. Invest in a reputable brand known for producing quality microscopes. Quality optics and construction will ensure clear and accurate results. Step 5. Light source. Microscopes can have different lighting options, such as LED or halogen. Choose one that suits your preferences and lighting conditions. Step 6. Sample size and stage. Consider the size of the specimens you'll be observing. Some microscopes have larger stages for accommodating larger samples. Step 7. Digital features. If you need to capture images or videos, consider a digital microscope with built-in cameras or the ability to connect to external devices. Step 8. Budget. Determine your budget and look for microscopes within that range. Keep in mind that quality and features often correlate with price. Step 9. Ease of use. Choose a microscope with user-friendly controls and adjustments. If you're a student, an easy-to-use microscope will be beneficial. Step 10. Accessories and support. Check if the microscope comes with necessary accessories like slides, cover slips, and storage cases. Also, consider the availability of customer support and warranties. Step 11. Try before buying. If possible, visit a local store or a laboratory and try out different microscopes to get a feel for their usability and features. Step 12. Read reviews and seek recommendations. Read reviews from other users and seek recommendations from peers or professors who are familiar with microscopy. Remember that the right microscope will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Take your time to research and choose a microscope that will help you achieve your study goals effectively. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.